Shall we start off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us quickly recall what we have discussed. We started discussing determinants. 1. A is equal to A, 1 cross 1 matrix. What is this called? Determinant of A. Examples. This symbol is not modulus symbol, it is determinant symbol. Don't get confused. What is det A?
AD minus BC.
AD minus BC.
What is this? 7 minus 3. Sec alpha, tan alpha, sec alpha, tan alpha, tan alpha, sec alpha. Det B or det C. Chalo, give me the answer.
1.
1.
1.
What is det B, man? Minus 8, correct? 2 into minus
5.
2, minus 8, minus of
Plus minus 3.
minus 3. Am I correct? Am I correct, man?
Yes, sir.
What it gives you? Yeah, next one. Next one, man.
1, sir.
1. Sec square alpha minus 1.
Yeah, can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
What set of matrix is this? 3 cross 3 matrix.
Plus 3.
Can I clear this off? I need the full board.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now write this. Yeah, I can hear you. Who is it?
Minor of P is yz minus mn. Minor of
What do you mean by minor?
Row column removing.
Row and column.
Wherever, whichever element whose minor you are looking at, whichever element whose minor you are looking at, delete that row, delete that column. Come on. So what is minor of P? Delete this row, delete this column. क्या आएगा?
YZ MN.
Determinant of YZ MN.
Yn minus mz.
So NY. Come on. Similarly, others.
Sir, nx minus lz.
Next, minor of Q. Directly go. Next. Every time, चलो. एक
Minor.
बार
Next
minor.
minus
delete this row, delete this column. क्या आएगा? XZ. correct है?
ln.
NX minus LZ. Next, minor of R.
mx ly.
Determinant Y. Am I correct one? Chalo, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What does it gives you?
mx minus ly.
Next, cofactor of Z. What's the position of Z?
M minus QL.
First of all, cofactor means
Minor.
by minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor. What's the position of Z? Position of Z. First row,
-3.
third column, first row, third column, first row, third column. So what will you get? Minus 1 whole power.
Four.
Determinant. PQLM. Is this positive sign or negative sign? Positive sign or negative sign? Positive sign.
Positive.
What does it gives you? Plus cofactor of R.
Minus 1
minus
whole
of mx minus ly.
What's the position of R?
2 cross 3.
Row, third column. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. So what you will write? Determinant XY LM minus of what will I get, man?
X minus ly.
Minus LY. Minor of n.
QX minus Q.
What's the
Qx
position
minus
of
y.
n?
3 row.
3 cross 3.
Third row, third column. Third row, third column. Third row, third column. So what will I get?
6 minus 1 power 6.
Determinant of what?
xy minus py.
PQ.
qx minus py.
QX minus 3.
No. ऑलरेडी फिजिक्स में सर बता दिए. What do you mean by that? Determinant of A equal to that A equal to elements or sum of, what's the definition, man? Determinant definition bolo. Sum of elements of a row or column
With the corresponding cofactor.
multiply by the corresponding
Cofactor.
cofactors gives, what does it gives? Determinant you care, man? Look here. Pay attention. That A is equal to first term. I am writing full expansion. Second time, third time we will not write. Already you have seen this in physics vectors. Look here, man. x into, what's the position of x? Position of
1 1.
One.
1 1. First row, first column. First row, first column. So minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1. Delete the row, delete the column. क्या देगा? Q R M N plus next one y into position of y, first row, second column, first row, second column, first row, second column. What does it gives you? Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2. Wherever y located, delete the row, delete the column. What is left over? PR ln determinant plus next z into position of z
Plus
minus
3.
1 whole power first row third column, first row third column, first row third column. So what does it gives you? Determinant क्या देगा? PQ come on, expand this now. What will I get? X into NQ. Will this be plus or minus? Minus y into NP minus LR. Plus or minus? Plus. Last term Z into बोलो जी MP minus LQ. Use the definition, expand them. Determinant. Come on, expand this determinant. Solve these two examples. I'm waiting for an answer. Come on.
Sir, first example 0, sir.
Yeah, correct. Next one. All of you, if you have any doubts, stop me then and there.
Sir, second one also 0.
I do not know. I just wrote the numbers in random, so I don't know the answers. We will not write in detail now. We'll write it directly.
0 minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Sorry,
Minus
0.
3.
Somebody said second one also 0, no? First one I'm doing. You have done this for IJK, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, A cross A expansion. Same idea. What will I get, man? 1 into. Delete this row, delete this column.
0 so second one.
45. Correct? 45 minus
40.
48. Am I correct, man?
Yes, sir.
Second one plus or minus. You can see second one plus or minus. Minus 2 into. What will I get?
36 minus 42.
2 into. What will I get?
36 minus 42.
36 minus 42.
36 minus 7, 6 month. 42. Plus 3 into.
32 minus 35.
3 into. 3 into. 8
32 minus 35.
minus 35. Correct? Bachalog, what does it gives you?
Minus 3 plus 12
0.
minus 9.
Minus 3
Plus 12 minus 9.
minus 2 into what is this one? Minus 6 plus 3 into what is this one? Minus 2. So minus 3 plus 12 minus 9. All of you, it is clear now? Anybody has any
Yes, sir.
doubt? Not me, then and there. Next determinant value. थोड़े लोग बोले 0.
Minus
थोड़े
2.
बोले 1, 2. What's the final
Minus
answer?
Minus 2, sir.
What's the answer finally?
Minus 3, sir.
I'm getting minus 2.
0, sir.
और एक नया आंसर. सेकंड को आंसर बदल रहा.
Minus 2.
बोलो man, should I minus 1 into what will I get? 1, 0 minus 1 into delete this row, delete this column 0 minus of 1 into minus 1 0 into 0 minus 1. बच्चों लोग is this clear? बच्चों लोग is this clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm moving ahead. What will I get, man? Minus 1. This is plus another minus 1.
Minus 2.
Li. Coleman. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Listen to this, all of you. Chalo, come on. Determinant that can be evaluated. That can be evaluated by using any row or look, in this determinant expansion हमने कौन सा रो यूज किया?
First.
row. In this determinant expansion कौन सा रो हमने यूज किया? First row.
First.
There is no condition that you should use first row. You can use first row or second row or third row or first column or second column or third column. What I'm trying to say is that can be evaluated by using any row or any column. That means A is equal to A example ले लेंगे 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That A, what was the value? 0 by row 1. It is here. Now do one thing. Expanding for that using, what do you use, man? Second column we obtain. Come on, बच्चे लोग start use second column. बच्चे लोग start use second column. Expanding, I should write. I wrote the spelling wrong, man. Expanding चलो Hello, position of 2. First row, second column. So what will be -1 whole power? -1 whole power -1 whole power I plus j. -1 whole power I plus j will be 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Therefore, what will be -1 whole power I plus j? Positive sign or negative sign?
Negative sign.
Negative sign. So it will be plus 2 or minus 2? Minus 2 into. Delete this row, delete this column. Delete this row, delete this column. क्या आएगा? 36. 36 minus 42. Next, plus or minus? Plus or minus? What's the position of 5? Position of 5. Second row, second column. Position of 5. Second row, second column. So what will that be? -1 whole power I plus j. 2 plus 2, 4. So positive sign or negative sign? Positive sign or negative sign?
Positive
sign. So plus 5 into. Delete the row, delete the column. क्या देगा? Delete the row, delete
minus
the column.
21.
क्या देगा? 9 minus 21.
21.
Yes, sir.
Position of 8. Position of 8.
Minus.
Third row, second column.
-8.
Position of 8.
-8.
Third row, second column. Third row, second column. So what sign? -1 whole power I plus j. -1 whole power I plus j. 2 plus 3, 5. -1 whole power 5. Positive sign or negative sign? Negative sign. बोलो. Delete the row, delete the column. क्या देगा? 6 minus 12. Am I correct? What will I get, man? -2 into 36 minus 42.
-6. 12 minus 60 plus 48.
9 minus 21. बचलो 9 minus 21.
-12.
6 minus 12. 12 minus 60.
Plus 40.
Are we getting same value? Are we getting same value? Yes. So is the statement justified? Yes. Yes. Can I start? Can I continue?
Yes,
Finish
sir.
writing?
Yes, sir, continue.
Look here. If a row or column has all its entries will has all its entries zeros, then delta is 0. What am I trying to say? अगर एक रो या कॉलम में पूरे एंट्रीज 0 होंगे, अगर एक रो या कॉलम में पूरे एंट्रीज 0 होंगे, देन डेट का वैल्यू भी 0 हो जाएगा. हिंदी. नाउ इंग्लिश. इफ एंट्रीज ऑफ ए रो, एक रो में if all the entries are zeros, then that value is 0. Why? You can evaluate that from any row, any column. Say A is equal to in evaluating this debt, which row or column you will use? Will you use first row?
थर्ड कॉलम.
No. अगर फर्स्ट रो यूज करते तो टाइम वेस्ट करते. Will you use second row? No. Third row? No. First column? No. Second column? No. Third column? Yes. Remember, first column से भी answer will be same. First row or first column से भी answer will be same, but you'll be wasting your energy. बेकार में टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा. What you will use? Why? Third column. That is equal to 0 into something minus 0 into something plus 0 into something. Whatever these entries inside, will they matter? Answer is no. Will these entries inside the bracket matter? No. Therefore, what is the answer here? That's what I said. Come on. Please let me know once you are done.
Done, sir.
Can you clear this off?
Yes, sir. Look at 3. Delta of triangular matrices. What do you mean by triangular matrices? Lower triangular matrix or upper triangular matrix, or comma diagonal matrix, or scalar matrix, or unit matrix. बच्चों लोग, tell me what are they once? Triangular matrices. That means lower triangular matrix or upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, scalar matrix, diagonal matrix, unit matrix. I repeat, lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, diagonal unit matrix. For all these matrices, determinant is very simple, product of diagonal entries. That equal to product of diagonal entries. Determinant equal to product of diagonal entries. What am I trying to say? See, something like this. A is equal to how are entries below the diagonal? Zeros.
Zeros. Upper
What is
triangular
the
matrix.
determinant expansion? Check. A into is determinant expansion में which one is easy to use? First row,
column.
second row, third row और first
First row,
column,
first row.
second column, third column कौन सा use
First
करना
column.
easy है? First
First
column use
column.
करना आसान है. First column use करना आसान है. What do you obtain? A into this minus this into this. What is this into this? PR
Here.
minus
Minus
0.
0.
Next one 0 into something. Next one 0 into something. These two are zeros. What will I get? APR. What is APR? Is it product of diagonal entries? Yes.
Yes.
So tell me, for what matrices determinant equal to product of diagonal entries? Lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix,
Scalar matrix, unit matrix.
diagonal matrix,
Diagonal.
unit matrix.
For all these 5 matrices, determinant is always product of diagonal entries.
Diagonal entries.
Determinant of come on, give me the answers. Determinant of I1. I1 stands for 1 cross 1 identity matrix. Determinant of I2. I2 stands for 2 cross 2 identity matrix. What is 2 cross 2 identity matrix? I3. 3 cross 3 identity matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Determinant of IN. Give me the answers, jaldi.
1. X equal to 2, 3. Done, sir.
बच्चे लोग answer first one.
Sir, plus
First
or minus
one,
2.
answer one.
ABC.
Second answer
343.
343.
240.
343, sir.
Sir, 343.
Anybody has any doubts anywhere at any place, you should stop me then and there. चलो सबको आंसर्स आना.
Sir, X equal to 2, 3.
Third one answer, waiting man.
Sir, 2, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3.
Yes, sir. Plus or minus 2. Plus or
What's the answer here? 1.
Plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3.
1.
Now we'll speak about this. What is det equal to? Product of diagonal entries. So what will I get? X square minus 4 into x square plus 11 equal to 0. This will not have any roots.
Imaginary root.
Root can be 0. What will I get?
Plus or minus 2 and plus or minus 3.
Equal to plus or minus 2.
x equal to plus or minus 3. Any doubts, any questions anywhere? I am here, standing, ready to explain. I am moving ahead. Did I asked you to solve homework, man? Did you do it? First exercise कल मैं पोस्ट किया था. Next. What will I get, man? Look here. If 2 rows or 2 columns of a given debt are interchanged, then दो रो या दो कॉलम बदल दिए. It is not one row and one column. Remember, 2 rows or 2 columns. If you interchange 2 rows or 2 columns of a given debt, then debt value will change its then debt value will change its algebraic sign. Very important. Pay attention, man. Pay attention, man. What am I trying to say? Determinant A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z is equal to. I'll interchange these two. Or if is equal to lambda, then interchange these two. What do you mean by interchange these two? What is row 1? Read out.
ABC.
Row 1, read out, all of you.
ABC.
What is row 1? ABC. Row 2.
ABC.
PQR.
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 Unmute all of you. Row 2.
PQR.
PQR.
Interchange those two. Row 2 बनेगा row 1. Row 1 बनेगा row 2. What do I get? Bolo.
PQR ABC
PQR.
PQR ABC XYZ
Is equal to what?
Minus lambda.
minus
इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है? That is determinant. बोलो. A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z equal to minus of बोलो P, Q, R,
PQR.
B, C,
ABC. XYZ.
XYZ
Simply determinant यक्का दुक्की तिक्की चौकिट है. What's the answer, man? बच्चों लोग आंसर.
-2. -2.
तो
minus 6 minus 2. I'll interchange columns. What do you write? Follow. 2, 4, 1, 3. What happened here? Column 1 and column 2 are, what happened to it? What happened to them? Interchange. Now check the data value. 6
6 minus 4.
minus 4.
2.
2 नहीं है, ऊपर है.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
कौन सा ऊपर है? मैं यही हूँ. मैं कहीं नहीं गया. Nothing is ऊपर, everything is on Zameen. Who is that? Okay.
It's not clear.
Is this clear?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Screen is not clear.
Please,
The screen is very unclear, sir.
Sir, screen is very unclear,
It's
sir.
not clear,
Screen
sir.
not clear.
Voice is breaking also.
Yes, sir, it is not
clear,
clear.
not clear.
Screen not clear.
Now clear.
Yeah,
Now clear,
not clear, sir.
Is it okay?
Voice is breaking, sir.
Voice is also breaking, sir, now.
Voice is also breaking and screen is again unclear.
Again unclear, sir.
I'll log out and log in. Wait. You be on the line.
Yes, sir.
You said hello.
No, no, no. I am from Hyderabad.
Okay.
Saman Numer, sir.
Saman Numer, sir.
समान उम्र तो नाम जाना पहचाना है. हर रोज दिन में all of you सब लोग आ गए. Still to come.
Still to come, sir. More 7, 8, no, 10. They are coming.
4 members, sir.
Every day. Please remember it. Every day. You should practice not less than 40 to 50 problems from maths. Mine is 1.5 hour class. After my class, you should study on your own mathematics for 2.5 hours. This is what top batches of Narayana, Chaitanya, Fiji, Resonance, Bansal, everybody does. It is always 4 hours session. Are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For them, every class is a 4-hour session. In that 4-hour session, 1.5 hour will be teaching. Remaining 2.5 hours, they give time for students to work out.
to work problems from assignments. I'm hoping that whole class has Cengage determinants, Cengage maths set. Cengage has, I think, 5 or 6 volumes of maths. In this, matrices and determinants falls in algebra book of Cengage.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have a copy, then please go buy it at the earliest. Every day, maths class, how much time? 1.5 hours. You should spend 2.5 hours on an average per hour. 20 problems bhi pakad ke chale. 1 hour 20, 2 hours 40, half an hour another 10. It amounts to 50 problems per day. Initially, 50 might not be possible because you will not have thoda practice. Okay, once you develop speed in solving problems, then you will reach 50. Initially, it may be 30 or 20, doesn't matter. But every day, 2.5 hours maths kitab se ladna. Maths kitab se ladna or fighting with the maths kitab does not mean that you go and fight with it and tear its pages. Your father will throw you out. Don't do such stuff. Every day you should spend 2.5 hours on maths. Initially, jitta ho sake utna. Initially, after spending 2.5 hours, you might be solving only 10. Does not matter. Slowly it will increase. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Finally, if you keep on practicing, definitely you will reach the target of 50 problems per day. Maths. All of you should spend not less than 2.5 hours after the class. If you read from day 1, day 2 your climax will be easy. You have seen your super seniors who secured rank. I think you saw the videos.
Yes, sir.
Abdullah and Omer Surti. Omer Surti is from Karnataka. Abdullah is from Hyderabad. In fact, I think he has come from Dubai, I believe. He had a chance of writing in NRI quota, but still he did not opt for. Anyhow, you should spend, look at those two. They used to study well. In fact, we have around 8 students in the class who secured 99 percentile and above. And whole class got qualified. They used to really put good hard effort. They used to study well. Whatever homework assignment they give, even for them, they used to do problems from Cengage. I used to give problems from some other book, so that how many books are covered. 2 books are covered, and I give question papers from some other book. Your Cengage and the assignments which I give and your question paper, all the 3 are from 3 different collections. So that how many books you are covering at the end of the day? You are covering 3 books, which is really good for you. For that, what you need to do is every day you should spend not less than 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours maths problems practice karna.
First read the notes, go through the notes. Notes में whatever problem you found typical. Notes में today myself, that is sir, has solved around 10 problems in the notes. मैंने आज 10 problem class में solve किया. First problem you have gone through, easy. Second easy, third easy. Array, fourth one, this is typical. Solve it again. Fifth easy, sixth easy, seventh easy, eighth. Array, this is typical. Solve it again. Ninth, 10th easy. Notes reading is over. Next, what you should do? Pull out Cengage. Pull out Cengage. Start solving Cengage. Cengage खत्म कर दिए. Then sir के assignment. Start doing assignment or start doing assignment first. Then Cengage. Assignment also. How am I giving? Every problem I am providing solutions. This I do for the first few months. उसके बाद I will not provide solutions. I want students to practice. Initially, agar if you have any difficulty, you practice, you directly copy down the solution. Look at the problem. Go to the solution. Have a look at the solution. Then close down the solution. Then practice. Initially do it like that so that you will develop some speed. You will develop techniques. Do it. Later, don't look at solutions. First assignment, then Cengage, or first Cengage, then assignment, whichever order, then notes. Every day, student has to spend not less than 2.5 hours on maths. That is what your seniors used to do. All of them did really well in maths, in mains. It is not like your school where if you study for quarterly, if you study for half yearly, it is enough. Unit test, if you study before unit test, if you study before quarterly, if you study before half yearly, if you study before pre-finals, it is enough. That happened in school. It will not happen in +1, +2. You should read every day, slog every day, day in and day out. Agreed? Study well, work hard. If you have any problem anywhere, doubts hai, jab ka jab, stop me in the class. Clear your doubts.
Okay, sir.
I'm here to help you out. I'm there to help you out. Shall we continue?
Yes, sir. Sir, in yesterday's exam, there were 2 questions which has no answer, sir. Answers were not provided in that question.
That will generally happen in all the exams. Final exam में, main exam में questions delete हो रहे. Computer operator गलत मारेगा. There will be some errors from computer operator side also. No issues, no problem, man. It is same for everybody, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some errors will be there, but main exam में errors आ रहे हैं यार. वे exam में क्या होगा? Nothing will happen, man. Those things do happen. I think the trace of A and trace of B, was it a integer type question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then what was D?
15 answer he was given was 24, sir.
Yes, sir.
I did not understand one thing, man. Trace of A was given, trace of B was given, trace of AB was asked. 4 options were given, and option D said cannot say. So answer is there? No, cannot say.
No,
What
sir.
was the
Cannot
answer
option
given?
was not there, sir.
Cannot say option
Yes,
not
sir.
there.
Option
All
4 was
were
24.
all were numbers, sir.
Instead of cannot say 24 was there, sir. And he was giving 24 as answer.
All numerical answers, sir.
Yes, sir.
All the 4 were numerical answers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All the 4 options numerical answers.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then that problem is deleted because you don't have. I think the computer operator made a mistake because I prepared the question paper. I know what I have given. Option D, when I wrote the paper, option D I said cannot say, and I marked answer as option D. वो गलत टाइप किया, इसीलिए गलत हो जाओ.
Another one question also, sir.
Other one also, sir.
The operator is high.
Function of A. That one.
Yes, 12th one.
Okay. Can I continue?
The again screen not clear, sir.
Again, screen is not clear.
Can we continue? No, is it clear board and all?
No, sir. Not clear screen.
Clear, sir.
Not clear, sir.
Now clear again.
Now clear, sir.
There it is.
picture.
A little bit
clear, sir.
Your end also, man. If it is clear for some of you and not clear for some of you, then the problem is for those it is unclear.
Now it is clear.
Problem is your end.
Sir, it's because
Now look here.
it's fluctuating. Unclear.
Unclear again, sir.
Unclear, sir.
Now look here. Is this property evident? If you interchange 2 rows, if you interchange 2 columns, that value will change its sign. That is, if it is alpha, it will become minus alpha, lambda minus alpha, pi minus pi, 7 minus 7. Now, can I clear? I'm clearing it off. You
Yes, sir,
copy
clear,
this
sir.
now?
Yes, sir. We copied.
Repeat, sir. Now clear.
Please practice every day. 2.5 hours maths के problems करना. Practice करो, then you will increase the number. 50 problem हर रोज करना. That is what they do in Ritchie Resonance Bansal. In fact, they make students should write a, students should give daily report. Ritchie and Bansal में, Bansal and Resonance में, students should give a daily report. आज maths में कितने problems किए? For all hostlers, top batches, that is what they do. They take the report from student. आज तुमने कितने problem solve किया? Maths में you are doing matrices and determinants. Next day you are supposed to submit a report. How many problems you solved yesterday? Matrices, determinants say. If you have a data of that, then you will know. अरे आज मैंने 10 किया, अयो आज मैंने बहुत कम किया. Tomorrow will increase. You'll have that motivation. Now, fifth one. Determinant A, B, C is equal to determinant P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Determinant. सुन रहे हो, देख रहे हो? Determinant. बोलो. X, Y, Z,
A, B, C,
C,
P, Q, R.
PQR determinant BQY
CRZ
Z
APX
EX determinant CRZ APX CRZ APX BQY. Cyclic order maintained, that value remains the same. Why? Look here. From this debt to go to this debt, how many interchanges you have to make? 2 interchanges. 1 interchange, 1 negative sign. 2 interchanges, 2 negative sign. Minus into minus, minus into minus, minus into
Plus.
minus will be.
Plus.
Hello, what am I trying to say? Call this as 1, call this as 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 say 1. What is 2? What is 2? Bolo man. PQR XYZ ABC.
Screen is not
What shall we do? What shall we do?
Screen is super
Interchange.
unclear, sir.
Screen is not clear,
Huh?
sir.
It is not clear, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
clear?
clear, sir. Clear.
Now clear, sir. Now. Before it was unclear.
No, look here. Wait. Interchange row 1 and row 3. This is 2. Interchange. Look here. Interchange. Row 1 and row 3. When you interchange 2 rows, what sign you will get outside? What sign you will get outside? Minus. So minus. मैं क्या करने जा रहा हूँ? रो 1 और रो 3 को इंटरचेंज कर रहा हूँ. रो 3 बनेगा रो 1, रो 1 बनेगा रो 3. What does it gives you? Tell me. Minus. What does it? Tell me, man. Minus ABC. XYZ. PQR. Is it equal to determinant 1? Is it equal to determinant 1? No. और एक इंटरचेंज करना. कौन से दोनों इंटरचेंज करना? रो 2 and रो 3. Interchange row 2 and row 3. Minus already is there. Row 2 and row 3 are interchanged. So what sign I will get? Minus. Determinant. Tell me what does it gives you? Bolo. First row of X. These two are interchanged. PQR XYZ. Minus into minus will become plus. So determinant ABC PQR XYZ, which is equal to 1. I started with the 2 and what did I obtain? I obtained 1. How many interchanges I made? 2 interchanges. Hence the statement, cyclic order maintained, that value will remain the same. Copy this. The D is right here. Cyclic order maintained. That value remains the same.
And this happens only for 3 into 3 matrix.
Any our syllabus में 3 cross 3 तक की है, 4 cross 4 नहीं है. 4 cross 4 you study in engineering first year. This matrices chapter will be there in engineering first year.
Yes, sir.
मेरा बेटा एक इंजीनियरिंग सेकंड ईयर में, एक इंजीनियरिंग फर्स्ट ईयर में. Both their books you have this chapter matrices and determinants. Engineering first year में you will read matrices again. There you will get 4 cross 4 determinants also. Plus 2 के लिए 3 cross 3 तक की बस.
Done, sir.
Okay, we shall continue tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Please
Bye.
read by night. बैठ के
Thank you, sir.
पढ़ो.
Bye.
Next class, till next class starts, continue doing maths. Till at what time is your next class?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
11:30 to this 10:30 to 11 also. You continue doing maths. Don't get away.
Sir, but breakfast?
सुबह 9 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट करके नहीं बैठता जी.
No, sir. Today 7 to 8:30 physics class, sir.
भाई कल क्लास नहीं हुआ.
It was there, sir, yesterday.
It was there yesterday, but he changed the time.
Because of prayer time, sir.
Because of prayer time.
Yesterday at what time you had physics class?
Evening, sir.
Evening
5 to 6:30.
4:30 to 7 o'clock. That's why, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye.